Did you know that dehydration is one of the top reasons women over 40 feel like their skin is aging faster, especially after summer? Sun exposure, travel, heat, even skipping your regular routine, it all adds up to dull, tired, puffy skin that no amount of moisturizer or serum can fix. But here is the good news. Today, I'm walking you through my 3-day skin reset routine to give you that visible difference. Hydration, clarity, skin detox, balance the pH in your skin, and achieve the healthier glow without complicated steps or expensive product. And stick with me till the end because I'll guide you through face yoga and massage techniques that are most effective to see results starting today. So don't skip this part. This is where everything ties together. Okay, so you want hydration. Let's talk about what really works. Not just a few drops of serum. I'm starting my skin reset with City Beauty Hydro Mask. And let me tell you, I swear by it. This jelly-like mask is packed with ingredients that soothe redness, calm irritation, and actually hydrate your skin on a deeper level. Even during summer when your skin is hot, reactive, or stressed from the sun. I mean, look at this. One box has 5 of these individually packed masks. Super easy to travel. So make sure you travel with these during your summer break, or even when you get back from your summer vacation, you need these masks to reset your skin. These masks are super easy to apply. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and let it do the heavy lifting for you. Honestly, it is 10 times more effective than applying those 2 to 3 drops of serums every day. I know it because I've tried both. Your dehydrated and parched skin is asking for more, so give it more. And once you're done, don't throw it away. Take the leftover serum in these masks and rub it on your neck, your décolletage, your hands, the back of your hands, your arms, anywhere that gets neglected and needs a hydration boost. Now here comes my favorite part. Ice roller. While the mask is still on, ice rolling helps the ingredients absorb more deeply by slightly constricting your capillaries. It also feels so good, especially in warm weather. So mask or no mask, you need one of these guys with you. So good. It calms inflammation, it reduces puffiness, it boosts circulation, and honestly, it is just super refreshing. And once you remove the mask, don't stop. Ice rolling, even after the mask, does 2 things. It seals in all that hydration that you just received because it tightens your pores. And when it helps to tighten the pores, it also soothes your skin barrier. This combination of masking and rolling, game changer. I know I'm using it the wrong way, but I can't stop using it. It just smells so good and it feels so hydrating. Introducing Iris and Romeo, the Reset Luminous Hyaluronic Acid Serum Spray. That's a long name, but it does a phenomenal job of hydrating your face through the day. I use it 3 to 4 times a day, but today I've been under harsh lights, I've been filming all day, and I understood the true potential and the value of this little serum spray. You need to touch up your makeup over and over again, and that's when I notice my skin gets oily, and then I have to dab powder. Too much powder, looks all caked up. But the Reset Serum Spray to the rescue. It's the end of the day, and my skin still looks dewy. Thank you so much. And who said hyaluronic acid needs to be applied just once a day? I absolutely love using it like drinking water throughout the day. You don't drink water just once for the whole day, right? So you spray this more often during the day and consistently. It is what keeps my skin bouncy and glowing without needing layers of product. And you definitely don't need to inject any of the hyaluronic serum into your skin. So no invasive procedures needed. You just need the right skincare and you should know how to use it correctly. Now, this video is not sponsored by Iris and Romeo. It is just my love for this product that I want to share it with you. But if you don't have Iris and Romeo, no problem. You can use simple rose water. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. And by the way, none of the brands I'm showing in this video have sponsored this video. These are some of the things that just work incredibly well for me and for women that I coach in my face yoga classes. Hydration is like the foundation of skin health. It reduces fine lines, it improves your skin texture, it gives you that natural lit from within glow. No highlighter needed. For day number 2, let's focus on gently exfoliating your face. All right, after all that hydration, it is time to understand how to exfoliate. And I'm not talking about those grainy, scratchy scrubs. Those can cause micro tears, especially if your skin is mature or sun exposed. What I'm about to share with you is one of my favorite go-to DIY, and look at its texture. It is soft, it's fluffy, and it's much gentler than what you're probably used to. So what I'm using here is about 1 or 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and mix it with a few drops of rose water, or maybe even a couple of teaspoons till you get the right consistency. So here's the thing, if your skin is oily, use rose water, but if your skin is dry, then use raw milk. Either way, it should feel creamy and it should glide on easily, like a light polish, not like a harsh scrub. Take a little bit of it on your fingertips and apply it in small circles, especially in the areas where your skin tends to look dull. Rice is naturally rich in enzymes and it helps detan, brighten, and even soften pigmentation in your skin. Instead of using rice flour, if you soak rice overnight and let it ferment a little before blending it, it becomes more potent, boosting the brightening and barrier strengthening effects. Would you like me to make a full video on how to make fermented rice mask? Let me know in the comments below. I've been doing this for years and it really works. Very simple recipe, but it works. You can choose to keep it on your face like a mask for a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, or you could even just rinse it off after exfoliating the dead skin off. Once you rinse it off, your skin feels soft and clean, not stripped and dry and tight. And it sets the stage beautifully for what comes next. Did you know that your face tension and stagnant fluid can actually make your face look heavier, puffier, and even emphasize fine lines? That's where this step comes in. It's not just relaxing, it's reshaping too. For these massage techniques that I'm about to show you, you will need a face oil and Blush 𝗿𝗵𝗵. I absolutely love this oil. It absorbs into your skin while you're massaging with the device, but you'll notice that even when it absorbs in your skin, it keeps the glide that you require for the massage techniques without keeping it greasy, and the wand would not just slip off your face. Very important to get the right oil and the right products to get the right massages. So use a few drops of 𝗪cie oil or your favorite facial oil or even serum to start with this simple massage technique. Holding down the starting point will make sure that your skin does not hug at any point during any of the massages. So there are going to be 3 diagonally upward strokes with the kansa wand. 1, 2, right underneath your cheekbone, and 3rd one into your nasolabial fold, under your cheekbone going up to your temples. So first one on your jawline, 2nd diagonally under your cheekbone, 3rd one into your nasolabial fold, under your cheekbone and towards your temple. Make sure to perform this on both sides of your face. And while you wait to place orders on these limited edition Blush kansa wands, make sure to use your fingers or knuckles for the same massage, which are diagonally upward to lift and snatch your face to resculpt your complete face shape. For the second one, you can glide your knuckles on your forehead almost in a sunrise position, up, diagonal, and horizontal. So you would go like this, this, this. And if you have kansa wand, you will reap multiple benefits from this same massage. Because this massage is going to not only help you release facial tension when you perform it with kansa wand, it will also balance your skin's pH. It also helps draw the toxins out of your skin. It also helps soothe any kind of inflammation or drain built up fluids from your face. And the best part is this device does not tug on your skin. Even if you're massaging areas, delicate areas like around your eyes, you'll notice your skin does not pull or tug like it could with your fingers. And then drain everything down and out. Perform the same on the other side. You'll notice as you perform this massage 4 to 5 times, your skin will start to turn gray. This is an indication that your skin is releasing all the toxins that have been building up over the last few days. Tell me you know any other device that can do this. I suggest 𝗪cie𝗿𝗵 to all my face yoga clients, and most of them tell me, Parmita, the ones that we've purchased do not work because they're probably fake, or they do not have the right combination of the metals that is required to create that graying effect, which means you got the right device, the authentic device. So if you want this effect, you want to draw all the toxins out of your skin, look for Be Lush. That's Blush With Me's limited collection out now. I want you to take just 5 minutes for yourself and you will start to feel that lift, that freshness, and that relief. Once your 𝗪cie𝗿𝗵 releases that discoloration, the gray color on your face, rinse it off and then complete your skincare routine for the day and see the difference in your skin next morning. If you love this 3-day reset program, then just imagine what consistent daily routines could do for your face. Inside my 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program, I give you everything: a structured routine, face posture reshaping practices, face yoga sequences tailored for aging science, skincare, suggestions to support your glow. Explore it on 𝗪મિતા𝗵𝗿𝗫.com or schedule a free discovery call to learn how my one-on-one coaching program can help you build that lasting radiance and confidence. Every face ages differently. Your skincare should reflect your unique journey. My dear ladies, aging is not a flaw. It is a privilege. But how we age, that's our choice. I believe you can look like the best version of yourself at every age, not the version that society expects of you. If you're done settling, if you want to feel proud of your face again, then don't stop here. Join this beautiful growing community. Here are all my social media handles. Do consider following me everywhere. Click subscribe and tap that bell icon you see next to it. And don't forget to click the join button you see there to become a supporting member of this channel. You will get early access to behind the scenes content and exclusive tips that I don't share anywhere else. I want you to tell me this. What's that one skincare habit that you have been neglecting that you want to reset today? Drop it in the comments. I read every comment, each one of them, and I'd love to guide you. So keep that connection going. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.